and then but then there were a bunch of boats at the beach where we were, but you couldn't get those to get back to where we were. So we kind of well, thank God, Eric.
No movie yours.
Oh, go ahead. I go there. I'm busy.
Steam on the window. We're moving slow.
It's a
Lines on the counter. Garlic on your hand. You laugh at my chopping. I follow your plan. We slow dance in the kitchen. Bare feet on the tile.
You too.
You spin me through the spices. I get lost in your smile. If love had a flavor,
Yeah, well, I
it
like
would
them.
taste like tonight. Learning your language, one bite at a time. You show me the basil, how to tear, not slice. Sugar on my fingers, chili in my eyes.
Not quite.
You say, trust your senses, taste and then decide. I'm burning the noodles still. You're by my side. Slow dance in the kitchen, bare feet on the tile. You spin me through the spices. I get lost in your smile. If love had a flavor, it would taste like
Hey, I'm your
tonight.
first. What do you think?
About what?
Learning your language.
Fantastic.
What do you think about
Yours.
I approve. 12 out of
Take
10.
my wrist,
Derek, you think you're a good cook?
guide me
Do I think
through
I'm a
the
good cook?
stir.
Wow, thank you.
If I get a lot
Have
of
you
Little
improved
touch
in your
of
cooking?
heat,
Yeah, I think I got
and
better.
we test the
problem.
blood.
I found my calling.
Yes, eating.
I miss the
Good.
Oh yes, yeah, I did. Yeah, like this and
you
this.
kiss
soup?
my
Yeah,
face.
no, I just want to drink that.